Yo guys, what's going on? Monday to 6 here, back with the 2002 Honda Magna, and today we're going to be installing this backrest. Really easy kit to install, looks good, bolts right on, no modifications. Alright guys, hope you enjoy the video. Going to be adding the backrest for the rear rider on the 2002 Honda Magna. Let's come over here to the bench and get it assembled. We have the box here on the bench. Let's go ahead and open this up. We're ready to take all of our parts out. Okay, here we have the backrest. We have the side brackets. We have all the hardware for it. Let's see what else we got in here. Here is the backrest. And the luggage rack. We have all the pieces laid out here on the bench. Kind of the initial overall impression of it. Not bad for the price. These welds actually look pretty good. You won't see any of these. This is the top side of it. So that luggage rack looks pretty good. This backrest, nice and shiny. Don't really see any imperfections, and the chrome actually looks really good. These side brackets, nice and shiny. No real defects or scratches. We have the back pad. It's super light. The foam on it's kind of hard. Let's see here. The backing of it, you know, it's kind of thick for what it is. It's not bad. Looks like it does have a zipper there. Maybe if you wanted to unzip it and see what's inside. And we have all of the hardware. Didn't come with any instructions, but it's only 5 pieces. I'm pretty sure I can figure out how to assemble this. Let's just start putting it together, see what it looks like. Before we put the backrest on, let's go ahead and build the rest of the backrest. It'll be these brackets here, the luggage rack, and we'll play the backrest by height. Since we do have the aftermarket Mustang seat on there, this height can be adjusted to match the rear seat. So let's get the hardware together, put this together. We have the backrest assembly complete. I kind of left this hardware loose right here just in case we have to you know, get this over the mounting spot on the rear fender. So I just left this kind of loose for a little bit of adjustment. Let's take this over to the Magna and get it fit up. Here we are at the back of the Magna with the backrest. These 2 bolts right there. They're going to bolt up on both sides. So this will essentially sandwich between those bolts and the backrest. So we're going to want to pick this up. Let's loosen this hardware right here. Allen wrench and a nut on the back side. Let's take all 4 of these out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got the hardware removed. As you can tell, it's a through bolt. Allen wrench head on the front, nut on the back. Simply just through bolts like that through this rear fender. So let's line up our rack. There we go. Let's line up our rack here with these holes and put our bolts in. We have this hardware down here on this fender. We have it tightened up. We still have this backrest a little loose. Luggage rack a little loose. I know it looks like there's some wiggle room for seat adjustment, but this is exactly why I wanted to leave this backrest off, so we can adjust it depending on what style seat you have. But overall, no drilling. This bolted right up. This looks pretty good, nice and straight on the back of the Magna. This is pretty straight on with the back of the seat. So we'll get our seat, get ready to install the this backrest. And we have the backrest completely installed on the Magna. Looking good, like the luggage rack. Got the screws holding the backrest on. Bolted straight up, no modifications. This is the height picked for the backrest, so it's mostly kind of in the lower center part of the back. But nice addition to the Magna. Here's the luggage rack from the back side. Pretty big little rack there. Nice and stout. can pretty much move the whole bike just from this luggage rack. Have it bolted on. Looking good. Okay, that backrest is installed on the 2002 Honda Magna. Looks good. It's a super simple install. Wasn't too bad on the wallet either. Looks good. All right, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Monday 86. Out.